Hey everybody, so I want to go over the Italeri WLA-750 Harley project that we have, and I wanted to take a look at these parts trees and just take a quick look at the quality of these molds. So these parts are essentially kind of a rubberized component. This has the chain, drive, seat, some of the straps, hand grips, and one or two other small parts molded in sort of a rubberized vinyl. And then this tree has the wheels, and I just want to take a quick look at how clean these parts are. And compared to an AMT kit, which is apples to oranges, really, the quality of the Italeri kits, they're more expensive. This kit's no exception. This is 1/9 scale, so it's quite a bit larger than anything else I have on the shelf. I think most motorcycle kits, Tamiya kits, are 1/12. I don't have any of those on the shelf at the moment. They are great kits. I built them in the past and just gave them away. But they're. I mean, if you like just doing the building, and you've never built a Tamiya motorcycle kit, you're missing out, because those things are just an amazing feat of engineering and quality. So this is Italeri. I haven't built too much from this company in the past. This is the first motorcycle of theirs I've looked at. It's the first of anything in this scale other than wood that I will have attempted. Pretty straightforward. I mean, the detailed instruction booklet. We've got I don't know how many pages here. Sections. There's at least 12 panels. Each panel has quite a bit of information on it, number of parts to be used, and so forth. So you can see quite a bit of detail packed into a 1/9 scale motorcycle, which is just kind of cool, a little bit incredible. But that's all right. And again, I'm going to build it as a civilian, not as the military version. So I won't be using the Thompson machine gun that comes with this kit. Let's see if I can show you that. There it is. So if for some reason you needed a 1/9 scale Thompson, they provide one for this kit. You can see that's a pretty clean molding. So anyway, there's that. But if you just look at these parts, I mean, they're just really clean. Beautiful molds. It's going to be kind of fun to put this one together. I'm looking forward to it. So we'll be doing some videos with the channel. Progress videos, probably more than actual build videos, but if I come across something that looks interesting, then obviously I will do that on the with the camera. All right, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.